Hello friends, today we start the preparation of aldehyde or ketones from nitriles. From nitriles means C triple bond N compound. Nitriles can be reduced in presence of stannous chloride and HCl to give the corresponding imine hydrochloride. Again acid hydrolysis to give corresponding aldehyde or ketones. We now see here the general reactions. Alkyl imine to converts imine hydrochloride. Nitriles reduce to gives imine with alkyl imine hydrochloride. Alkyl imine hydrochloride. Nitriles reduce in presence of stannous chloride with HCl followed by acid hydrolysis to gives corresponding aldehyde and ketones. General reaction: car C triple bond N twice hydrogen. Reduction in presence of stannous chloride SnCl2 and HCl to give alkyl imine hydrochloride. HCl. And followed on acid hydrolysis NH H3 plus to gives R C double bond O H alkanol plus NH4 Cl. General reaction example CH3C triple bond N ethane nitrile reduce in presence of stannous chloride HCl to gives CH3 CH double bond NH. Ethanamine, ethanamine hydrochloride. Again, acid hydrolysis. To form ethanol. Here is from preparation of aldehydes from nitriles. Nitriles reduce to gives the imine with alkyl imine hydrochloride. Nitrile reduce in presence of stannous chloride and HCl to gives alkyl imine compound, and further followed on acid hydrolysis to gives corresponding aldehyde or ketones. In this way, here we give the general reactions, and for example, ethyl nitrile reacts reduce in presence of stannous chloride HCl to gives ethanamine hydrochloride. Further, this ethanamine hydrochloride hydrolysis to gives corresponding aldehyde ethanol. Now, second, we see the another example for aromatic nitriles. For example, C6. Benzonitrile. Twice hydrogen. Let's see. Now, benzonitrile reduce in presence of stannous chloride to gives benzamine hydrochloride. Benzamine hydrochloride, again followed on acid hydrolysis. H3O plus to gives benzaldehyde. Now in this reaction benzanitrile reduce in presence of stannous chloride and HCl to gives benzaimine hydrochloride followed by benzaimine hydrochloride hydrolysis to gives benzaldehyde. Here is one of the point is noted that diisobutyl aluminum hydride is one of the good reagent because in case the initial compound presents the carbon-carbon double bond. This carbon-carbon double bond does not reduce by isobutyl aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride does not reduce this carbon-carbon double bond, and we get as the corresponding aldehyde or ketones. We can see here for example, but we can note down this point: diisobutyl aluminum hydride, diisobutyl aluminum hydride, aluminum hydride. Diisobutyl aluminum hydride, this compound. One of the advantage it does not reduce carbon-carbon double bond. In given compound, to gives corresponding aldehyde or ketones. Now we give one of the example, paint 3ENE. One, two, three, 4, 5. Paint 3ENE. This compound paint 3ENE reduced by stannous chloride and HCl. HCl paint 3ENE imine hydrochloride or pentene 3-imine pent 3-imine hydrochloride. is further is further hydrolysis, acid hydrolysis, to give corresponding aldehyde. Pent 3-ene aldehyde or 3-pentanal. 3-pentanal. Pent 3 aldehyde or pentanal. 3-pentanal. In this way, we can obtain aldehyde, corresponding aldehydes from nitrile compounds. Now let's see the another point, preparation of ketones from nitriles. Preparation of ketones from nitriles. Here is the alkyl nitriles reacts with Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether as a solvent to give corresponding aldehyde or corresponding ketones. Generally obtain a ketones, corresponding ketones, because here we also directly write down preparation of ketones from nitriles. We can use the example of ethane nitrile, or first we see the general reactions. C triple bond N alkyl nitrile in presence of Grignard reagent RMG Cl or X halides in presence of dry ether is a solvent. Dry ether is a solvent. Or C CH3 double bond O, sorry CH3, here write down general reaction R plus NH3 plus MgOH and X. This is the general reaction. Now here we give the one of the example. We can write down here how to reacts alkyl hydrolysis are also alkyl nitrile reacts with Grignard reagents in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether to give corresponding presence of dry ether and followed by acid hydrolysis to give corresponding ketones. Here we can give the example CH3 C triple bond N ethane nitride reacts with Grignard reagent methyl magnesium chloride Grignard reagent in presence of dry ether as a solvent. In presence of dry ether as a solvent to give corresponding intermediate CH3 this CH3 attached to here double bond N MgCl CH3 again hydrolysis CH3O plus to give corresponding compound CH3 C double bond O CH3 to obtain the ketone acetone and remaining byproduct ammonia and NH3 MgOH and MgCl. Similar way, this aliphatic product is obtained. Aromatic compounds are also takes place the reaction similar way. Preparation of aldehyde and ketones. Preparation of aliphatic aldehyde and aromatic aldehyde. Preparation of aliphatic ketone and aromatic ketones. Both examples we can see here. Here we can use this aromatic nitriles, benzonitrile, C triple bond N, benzonitrile, reacts with Grignard reagent twice. Sorry, MgBr is sufficient. Mg CH3 CH3 MgCl. Br also used. Halides can be generally Cl or Br in presence of dry ether. In presence of dry ether, benzonitrile reacts with CH3 MgCl. Then acid hydrolysis H3O plus to give acetophenone. Phenone or benzoketone and reduced to plus NH3 plus MgOH and Cl. Acetophenone. Further, one of the example you can write down here: benzonitrile, C triple bond N, plus here we can use the Grignard reagent MgCl in presence of dry ether. Further, acid hydrolysis benzophenone. Benzophenone and removal of byproduct is plus NH3 plus